Hi, everybody. Here, Marina Shepelsky, a divorce attorney. Thank you for being with us. And I have a very delicate question to ask you. What happens if in a marriage there's no sex? It's a sexless marriage. Does that constitute grounds for divorce? Does lack of sex become a ground for getting a divorce?
Hi, everyone. My name is Marina Shepelsky, and I'm a New York and New Jersey divorce lawyer. Having no sex in the marriage by itself is usually not a real legal grounds for divorce. However, if you never had sex after you got married, for example, that means you never consummated your marriage. And in New York, it could be a grounds for annulment, nullifying, canceling your marriage altogether. However, if you just stopped having sex, after you had some already, right? That could be grounds for a grounds called constructive abandonment, meaning your spouse stopped having intimate relations with you, which is considered to be one of the most important reasons why people get married anyway, right?
Right.
To always have that partner available to you for your personal needs, for lack of a better description. So if your partner refuses to have sex with you and at least 6 months passes by, that's grounds for getting divorced based on constructive abandonment. However, New York is a no-fault state, which means we used to do this constructive abandonment a lot when we didn't have this irreconcilable differences as a grounds, right? Now that we have that, just remember, if you go to court and you have litigation and you put down as the grounds for divorce constructive abandonment, like, look, the guy doesn't want to have sex with me, right? You have to prove it to a judge. You have to prove it in court. And that's going to be super hard to prove. Like, how do you prove? Are you going to take pictures? Are you going to record it? Do you really want to talk about your sexual relations and all the weird things you like in front of a judge? Probably not. So most people agree to divorce for no fault reasons. Like, if there's no sex, look, we just had irreconcilable differences of opinions and we're getting divorced. So that's my answer to the sexless marriage question.
But I have a follow-up question. You mentioned that you could get an annulment if there was zero sex to begin with.
Right.
Is there a time period by which you have to file for annulment, or any time you can do it?
Up to 6 months, I would say. But yeah, pretty much. I mean, if it's been 3 years and you never consummated your...
That's a bad sign. That's a bad sign.
Yeah, you should know. Yeah.
Okay, Marina, thank you so much for your answer, for your frank and honest answer. It's always a pleasure having you here with us. Have a good day.
It's a pleasure for me as well. Thank you.
Thank you.